This is Seedum. These were the flowers, and there are seeds in these flowers. And let me show you how you propagate these flower seeds into germination. On a paper towel, you take all the seed flowers. You put them on there, and if you look real close, you can see some of the seeds germinated. On the blue pencil plastic is a seed. Right over there. No, that is not lint. That is the actual germination of a seed. You don't need a lot of water, just enough water and dirt, soil, and a cup. And that is it. Sedum doesn't love water. It is a succulent. There's the seed. Cover it up with some soil. We'll come back to see if it grows. And you can see the sedum right there. They're very fine indeed. And we'll come back in a number of weeks and they will start to produce a lot of sedum. Mark down what you got. Sedum. Able to save one sedum. Look how nicely it grew. And we'll repeat the same process over and over and over. And I hope you enjoy Sedum.